In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product. So from the home screen, come on over to the left-hand navigation and click on Products. And in the top right, you'll see the ability to import a CSV where you could upload multiple products at a time. But for today's purposes, we're going to focus on adding just a single product. So I'm going to click this plus sign. First things first, we'll give it a name. This is a running shoe we're going to call Terran Runner. It has a price of $69.99, and let's give it a sale price of $64.99, and make sure to give it a weight. For shipping purposes, we'll call this 2 pounds. So what's really nice here is as you continue to scroll down the page, you're going to find the intuitive next step, and here it's going to be to add an image. So I'm going to click on Browse Gallery. Here I could upload images that I might have saved on my computer. I already have some good ones uploaded here. I'm going to go with this one. Today I'm just adding a single image, but you can add multiple images that show different views of your product or maybe different models wearing the product right here. Now I can hover over this image and do some quick editing and also add some metadata right here for SEO. Okay, let's keep scrolling to figure out what's next, and that's to write a description. So we have a tool here for you that can help you write a description based on best practices. For today's purposes, I'm going to just quickly write my own and say, rack up the miles with this stability shoe. Enjoy the cushion and arch support. Okay, that looks good. Now, for editing purposes, you'll see some pretty familiar components here for word processing. We can add bulleted lists, we could add a link, we could add images or video. I'm going to click on these brackets and you can see the raw HTML for the description that I just wrote. Now, if you have a description with some formatting that you like in another tool, you can bring that right in here. Okay, let's keep scrolling. The next thing is to assign a category. I already have a category created. I think I called it running shoe. Let's check. So yes, as I start typing running, you'll see that it auto-populates. But another cool thing that I can do right from this product page is create categories. So I'd like to create a category called stability shoes. And as I start typing that, it recognizes that it's new and I can just click create category and we've got it. Of course, I can always come back to the left-hand navigation and click on categories to do some management of my categories later if I want to. But for today, we're going to keep scrolling on down. So the next piece is to add a related product. If you'd like your customers to be able to do some comparison from one product to the next on the same page, then you'll want to add a related product. I can click here on select a product and add products that I've already added. So I have this Jelly Zoom runner. I'm going to select it so that it'll appear. And we'll keep going. Next is SEO. We're going to spend some time on SEO in another video. But this gives you some really quick and impactful actions that you can take for good SEO. Let's give it a custom URL. We'll call it Terran-Runner and a title tag of Terran Runner. And finally, a description. We'll call it all-terrain stability shoe. Now, as I've been typing, I hope you've been able to see that this Google result preview is being actively updated with my changes. So you can see exactly what your customers are going to see as they navigate to you through search. Final things on this page are variants and inventory. We're going to cover those in later videos. So let's go ahead and save. All right, the last thing I want to point out to you on this page are these dots in the top right corner. If I click on it, there's a copy ability here. So if I have a product that's really similar to this one, I can just copy it straight in and just make edits to the relevant fields that are different. Okay, let's now have a look at this product in the store. This is the store. If I click on Shop Latest Styles, here we have our Terran Runner, and it has a price of $69.99, the sale price that we entered, and the ability to add to cart. And if I click on that, it's ready to buy. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. For more resources, have a look at volusion.com/resource-center.